Salut mes amis. Today, we're going to learn all French verb groups, ER, IR, and RE verbs. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to conjugate like a pro. Let's talk about French verbs, one of the most important parts of learning French. A verb is a word that shows an action, like to eat, to dance, to study, or a state of being, like to be or to seem. In French, verbs change their endings depending on who is doing the action and when it happens. This is called conjugation. There are three main groups of French verbs. They have a verb ending with R, IR, and RE. Let's start with group 1, ER verbs. Using a verb in infinitive for, parler means to speak. Please concentrate on ending column. The endings for ER verbs are E, is, ons, ez, and ent. Let's see the conjugate of the verb. Parler. Je parle, I speak. Tu parles, you speak. Il, or. Elle parle, he, she speaks. Nous parlons, we speak. Vous parlez, you speak, formal/plural. Ils ont, elles parlent, they speak. Bravo. Glowing star, that's group 1 done. Now, group 2, IR verbs, with example of verb. Finir, meaning to finish. The endings are is, it, isn't, isse, and isn't. Let's see the conjugate of the verb. Finir, j'ai fini, I finish. Tu finis, you finish. Ils ont, elles fini, he as she finishes. Nous finissons, we finish. Vous finissez, you finish, formal/plural. Ils ont, elles finissent, they finish. Excellent. Group 2 mastered. Finally, group 3, RE verbs. We use the verb vendre, which means to sell. The endings are s, no endings for il, elle, ons, ez, and ent. Let's see the conjugate of the verb vendre. Je vends, I sell. Tu vends, you sell. Ils ont, elles vendent, he, she sells. Nous vendons, we sell. Vous vendez, you sell, formal/plural. Ils ont, elles vendent, they sell. Let's quickly review. Group 1 are esh, ens, es, ent. Next, group 2 IR is, it, isn't, isses, isn't. At last, group 3 RE s, nothing, ons, ez, ent. See how the endings change depending on the verb group? Now you can speak, finish, and sell in French. If you enjoyed learning with me today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more fun and easy French lessons every week. Merci, à très bientôt.